Hello friends, welcome to my channel Significant Updates. This is complete educational channel, so please subscribe and support. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get new updates from my channel. What is growth mindset? In a growth mindset, people believe that their most basic abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Brains and talent are just the starting point. This view creates a love of learning and resilience. Resilience means flexibility and toughness. That is essential for great accomplishment. Accomplishment means achievement. 25 simple ways to develop a growth mindset. First one, acknowledge and embrace imperfections. Embrace means accept. Hiding from your weakness means you will never overcome them. View challenges as opportunities. Having a growth mindset means releasing opportunities. Releasing means enjoy and love. Releasing opportunities for self improvement. Try different learning tactics. There is no one size fits all model for learning. What works for one person may not work for you. Follow the research on brain plasticity. The brain is not fixed, the mind should not be either. Replace the word failing with the word learning. When you make a mistake or fall short of a goal, you have not failed, you have learned. Stop seeking approval. When you prioritize approval over learning, you sacrifice your own potential for growth. Value the process over the end result. Intelligent people enjoy the learning process and don't mind when it continues beyond an expected time frame. Cultivate a sense of purpose. Dweck's research also showed that students with a growth mindset had a greater sense of purpose. Keep the big picture in mind. Celebrate growth with others. If you truly appreciate growth, you will want to share your progress with others. Emphasize growth over speed. Emphasize means highlight. Learning fast is not the same as learning well, and learning well sometimes requires allowing time for mistakes. Reward actions, not traits. Tell students when they are doing something smart, not just being smart. Redefine genius. The myths been busted. Genius requires hard work, not talent alone. Portray criticism as positive. You don't have to use that hackneyed term constructive criticism, but you do have to believe in the concept. Disassociate improvement from failure. Stop assuming that room for improvement translate into failure. Provide regular opportunities for reflection. Let students reflect on their learning at least once a day. Place effort before talent. Hard work should always be rewarded before inherent skill. Highlight the relationship between learning and brain training. The brain is like a muscle that needs to be worked out just like the body. Cultivate grit. Grit means courage. Students with that extra bit of determination will be more likely to seek approval from themselves rather than others. Abandon the image. Naturally smart sounds just about as believable as spontaneous generation. You won't achieve the image if you are not ready for the work. Use the word yet. Dweck says not yet has become one of the favorite phrases. Whenever you see students struggling with a task, just tell them they have not mastered it yet. Learn from others people's mistake. It's not always wise to compare yourself to others, but it is important to realize that humans share the same weakness. Make a new goal for every goal accomplished. You will never be done learning. Just because your midterm exam is over does not mean you should stop being interested in a subject. Growth minded people know how to constantly create new goals to keep themselves stimulated. Take risk in the company of others. Stop trying to save face all the time and just let yourself goof up now and then. It will make it easier to take risk in the future. Think realistically about time and effort. It takes time to learn. Don't expect to master every topic under the sun in one sitting. Take ownership over your attitude. Once you develop a growth mindset, own it. Acknowledge yourself as someone who possesses a growth mentality and be proud to let it guide you throughout your educational career. Fixed mindset versus growth mindset. What is the difference between these? Seven amazing difference between fixed mindset versus growth mindset. 1. Fixed mindset avoid challenges. People with fixed mindset try to avoid challenges in life. They get scared when the challenge comes. It comes in their character and stops them to achieve anything great in life. Growth mindset embrace challenges. Embrace means accept. People with growth mindset are always ready to embrace challenges in life. They are warrior and ready to fight against every challenges they face in life. Fixed mindset ignores feedback and criticism. Fixed mindset people will hate you if you ever criticize them. They will never listen to your criticism and try to avoid them. This is the reason why they never achieve success. However, they don't know the difference between fixed mindset versus growth mindset. Growth mindset learn from feedback and criticism. Growth mindset people will love you for your efforts. If you ever give them a feedback to improve or change, they will 100% accept it. They will learn from your feedback and criticism. This is the reason why they achieve success in life. Fixed mindset believe intelligence and talent are fixed. Fixed mindset people believe that intelligence and talent are fixed. It becomes a reality. You become what you think about, so they think they are dumb. They guess what? They are dumb. Growth mindset believe intelligence and talent can be developed. Growth mindset people believe that they can develop this skill set. They create and learn these skills. They know that they can achieve anything they want in life. So they become who they want to become. Fixed mindset gives up easily. Fixed mindset people are losers, not winners. They give up everything too easily. They don't push hard if something does not work. It brings a lot of difference between fixed mindset versus growth mindset because giving up too easily is a loser's choice. Growth mindset try hard and never give up. As I said earlier, growth mindset people are warrior. They never give up on anything they want. They set goals and do whatever it takes to reach that goal. Growth oriented people are winners and this winning mindset brings them to great level of success in life. Fixed mindset envy from others' success. Envy means jealous. Fixed mindset never likes to see anyone succeed in life. For example, if someone got success in his her friends or family, they will start to get jealous from the person. They don't believe in themselves, and this brings jealous and insecurity to them. Growth mindset gets inspired by others' success. Growth mindset people are always inspired to see people succeeding. However, they help other people to succeed in life as well. They believe in themselves and what they bring to the table. Fixed mindset get stuck after a failure. Fixed mindset think negatively but fail. They get stuck in life after one failure. They start to believe they can never achieve success. It produces lots behaviors that attract failures towards them. Growth mindset learn from failure. Growth mindset people become successful because they learn from their failures and growth into a better person. They find opportunity in every setback. Fixed mindset quit learning after college. Fixed mindset people believe that the learning ends after college. They never bother to learn or read a single book after they get a degree. They never grow themselves. Growth mindset keep learning. Growth mindset people are lifetime learners. They commit to learn new things every day. They have eagerness to learn something that changes their lives like you do. The real difference between fixed mindset versus growth mindset is learning and growing into a better human being. The conclusion of this topic is success comes to those people who has growth mindset. It will never come automatically. It's a mindset game. If you know how to play, you will always win. Start working on your mindset and acquire growth mindset. It will help you to reach great level of success in life.